Hi, and welcome to the Painting Show, Series 8. And this is a painting that I'm doing. This is a 11 by 14 canvas. And let's see, I'm going to get my palette knife. Subscribe and like and ring my bell. It brings joy to my heart when you are subscribed to me. Ooh, hey, that looks pretty. Look at there. If you never used a palette knife before, it takes a little bit of practice to use a palette knife. But once you use a palette knife, then, you know, they're real fun to use. To make, like, I think you call them ripples. Ripples on the water. I think that's what you call that, ripples. Ripples. I think I'm saying it right. But anyway, yeah, it's like ripples. To have a waterfall. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Let me know in the comments what you guys like me to paint more stuff like this, more landscapes, or if you like me to paint seascapes. Let me show you a seascape painting that I finished yesterday. Is that pretty? That's a seascape painting that I did. And have the seagulls there, and got the waves and the lighthouse, and look at that beautiful sky right there. Is that beautiful? That's 11 by 14 canvas. 11 by 14. If you guys like me to paint more, landscapes or seascapes, just let me know. Okay. Now this is real pretty too. I have years and years and years and years of experience. And, you know, one of the things, my mom used to love to watch me paint. And I think that's the reason why you guys like to watch me do it too. It brings joy to my heart to knowing that y'all like to watch me paint. This brings lots of joy to my heart. That's real cool. Let's see here. Boom, look at there. Another little waterfall, but it's a small waterfall. Yes. So I'm not putting my fingers on the blade. I'm just putting my finger right there. You see that chrome part right there? That's where I'm putting my fingers at. So I'm avoiding not putting my finger on the blade. If you put your finger up on the blade, it's not going to break. See that right there? That's what you call breaking. Let me show y'all something. Okay, so below my palette knife, you don't need any pressure. Okay? No pressure. See? You can actually do a waterfall with with a palette knife. Okay? See, let me see. Let me get a little bit more paint in my palette. Well, there we go. Yeah. Let's see. When you hold this knife, hold it like this. Put your finger right there and put your thumb right there. Excuse me. And then put these fingers on top of the knife. Watch this. No pressure. You might want to wipe off your knife every time you do that, but you know, you might want to wipe off your knife too. Go back and reload. See? Look at there. It's easy. It just takes practice. It just it just takes practice time. Devote some practice time too when you're painting. When you're painting, just devote some practice time, and you know, because you're not gonna paint overnight. I did not learn how to paint overnight. It takes time. And it takes a lot of patience too. If you have patience, yeah, it takes a lot of practice time. Devote some practice time because you will really enjoy painting. You will really enjoy all of this. Okay. It's not that bad once you learn how to do this. Look at that. Wow, that's cool. Look at that. Okay, and then you can take your brush. If you have a small brush might work pretty good too. Do some small rocks. There's a rock, see? Look at that. There's a rock right there. See? Look at that rock. You can do another little rock right there. I have a mountain right there. Okay. I'm going to do a bird in this painting. If you want to do a bird, I need to get a small brush like what I'm using. I use to make V's. Okay, let me show you again. It's very easy to make a bird. Okay. There we go. Look at that bird. Speaking of birds, I was coming back from a walk a few days ago, and guess what I saw? I saw some geese flying. Yeah, so I saw some geese. Oh, that's a big bird right there. But anyway, I saw some geese flying, and they had birds. I did not know this about geese. But did you know that they have a leader? And the leader is usually the leader for the birds are usually up in front, and you can hear the geese when they're flying over. It's really amazing, and I really like that. I like that a lot. But yeah, I thought, wow. I think they use them in cold weather. I think, but these geese when they flew over, they're kind of low, and they're real pretty. Now, seagulls is, I think you would see seagulls a little bit more in the, you see seagulls more in the, seascape type stuff. Out sea, you would see seagulls flying over. But this, what I saw was geese. So this is a tree I did. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and sign this one. This is 11 by 14 canvas. I'm going to sign it right here. Sign yours, and you can sign yours anywhere you want to, and any color you want to. I like red. You don't have to sign yours in red if you don't want to. Okay, that's going to do it. Till next time. Thanks for watching. And take care. Bye.